The Miss World organization has announced the top 40 semi-finalists who will return to Puerto Rico to compete for the Miss World 2021 coveted title. The top 40 semi-finalists will include 15 contestants who were already selected as fast-track winners, along with 25 contestants who were selected by the judges. The 40 finalists were announced earlier today via an Instagram post from the organization. Kalia Hall, who was set to represent Jamaica, did not advance to the finals. The Miss World finale was initially scheduled for December 16 last year, but was postponed due to COVID-19 concerns. The 70th Miss World pageant will be held in Puerto Rico from March 12 to 18 this year. All 97 Miss World contestants will be featured in the broadcast of the Miss World final, which will air on the 16th. Dancehall producer Linton Thompson's bail was extended when he appeared in the Kingston and St. Andrew Parish Court yesterday. Thompson, who is popularly known as Shabdon, is charged with breaching the Corruption Prevention Act after allegedly attempting to bribe a police officer after a firearm was found in a vehicle in which he was driving in October last year. The corruption charge was laid following a ruling from the Office of the Director of Public Prosecutions. Shabdon is scheduled to return to court on March 28. English singer Adele has announced the postponement of her Las Vegas residency one day before the concert was scheduled to start due to COVID-19 concerns. In a tearful video posted on Instagram, Adele shared that her set was not ready and she was faced with delivery delays and members of her team have contracted COVID-19.
I'm so sorry, but my show ain't ready. We've tried absolutely everything that we can to put it together in time and for it to be good enough for you, but we've been absolutely destroyed by delivery delays and COVID. Half my crew, half my team are down with COVID, they still are, and it's been impossible to finish the show. And I can't give you what I have right now, and I'm gutted.
The series of concerts dubbed Weekends with Adele was set to take place at the Coliseum at Caesar's Palace today through to April 16. The Hello Singer has announced that all dates will be rescheduled and additional information will be released soon. I'm Deirdre Gordon reporting for your weekend edition of E! Prime.